Hi there, my name is Annabelle Stanley and this is my submission for part 1 of the interview process to become a nature and conservation educator at the Cincinnati Zoo. So today I wanted to talk to y'all about honeysuckle, one of my least favorite plants. I want to explain to you why it's one of my least favorite plants, but first I want to give you a quick history of why it's here in Cincinnati. So back in the day, Cincinnati brought this over on purpose from Japan to help with our erosion problem. As you may know, Cincinnati is a very hilly city and we deal with landslides and erosion all the time. Planting plants on hillsides keeps the soil in place, their roots keep the soil in place and helps stop erosion and landslides. So that's why this plant was brought over. Little did they know that this plant would spread and grow an insane amount and take over almost every forest here in the city. So how does it do this? Well, in Japan, honeysuckle is a native species there, and it has natural predators that keep its population in check. Here in Cincinnati, we do not have any natural predators for this plant, so it can grow with no checks or balances. Also, this plant blooms first in the spring and dies last in the fall, which means that it shades out any other plants that were going to grow below it before. It also takes up the most water and the most nutrients from the soil, taking it away from any native plants that were going to grow there. It also creates a toxin in its roots that prohibits other plants from growing near it. It's just a big bully in the forest ecosystem. So with these facts in mind, you can understand why honeysuckle was able to spread so quickly and why it now creates monocultures in our understory of almost every forest here in Cincinnati. So as you can see here in Bellevue Pavilion, it has created a major monoculture here. This is disruptive to our native ecosystems, to native birds, native insects, and other native plants that we rely on to live. So this is why I really dislike honeysuckle, and I will cut it down any day I can and dispose of it properly. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you learned something, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye!